Om Sai Ram to everyone. This is Sonia from Sai Puja channel, and today we will be doing tarot card guidance, Sai Baba cards guidance in a different manner. Normally I do pick up a card and share the guidance, but today we will be picking 3 cards, and whichever card you resonate with, pick up that card, and then we will be sharing the guidance. Okay, Om Sai Ram. So we have 3 cards in a row, and I would want you to close your eyes and pick up any one card, or if you feel like you can pick more than one. The first one, the gemstone is kept, is cat's eye. The second one is citrine, and third one is clear quartz. So whichever gemstone you resonate with, you please pick up that card, think of that card, and then we will be doing the reading for you all. Okay, Om Sai Ram. So we have picked up the first card, the devotees who have chosen cat's eye, which is the first card. The card has come as declutter your life, which means Baba is saying that he wants you to bring your attention to the importance of decluttering your mind. There are a lot of things in your mind which is not important, which you are giving them space. You know, sometimes we have space for uninvited guests in our house. Please don't do that. Please keep your mind free. You know, it is very important that you give space in your mind to the things which they deserve. Basically, give things space in your mind to the positive things, positive thinking, which is very, very important. So one of the best way to overcome this is to take out 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever is comfortable for you. Start even with 2 minutes as well. You can do that, and meditate. Take Sai Baba's name. Close your eyes. Do Jap Mala. You have seen on every Thursday we have Jap Mala on Sai Puja channel, and we have a meditation session as well at 12 o'clock in the night on Thursday. Start attending those sessions and see the difference gradually over the period of time, that when you start thinking positively, what all changes it will bring in your life. Connect with the nature. Go to a garden. Go where there is greenery, where there are trees. Stop watching a lot of TV, series which are there. People are spending too much time over the phone. Stop doing that. And if you make an effort, you will be able to overcome your negativities in life, as a result of which you will be conserving your mental energy. A new, fresh, positive energy will fill you, which you can be applied in a positive manner in every area of your life. Okay? Thank you. Second card which we have got today is duality. Baba is saying that everything has 2 opinions. You should not be rigid with one opinion. You should not label something good or bad. If someone has done bad to you, there could be a reason to it, why that person has done something to you, why that person has reacted in a manner which you don't wanted him to react. You know, sometimes we want some situation or some experience as per our choice, but that doesn't happen. It happened as per Baba's wish, and if it is not as per our wish, we feel bad about it. So you should not feel bad about it. It's rather you feel that why it has happened. You know, it is very important that we start thinking that each thing has 2 perspectives. A coin has 2 sides. There is day and night. There is life and death. So everything has 2 sides, or two. Every situation has 2 opinions. Something which is good for you may not be good for other person. So the good in a human is given to him by his past history, or by the past karma, past lifetimes. Sometimes he is actually quite helpless, as the awareness is not there. So human continues doing good or bad deed as per the karma he or she is born with, and without even trying to change it. So don't label any person or don't label any situation as good or bad. It's always be open to understand why it has happened. If it is good for me, it is good for the person, or if it is good for other person, it may not be good for me. The concept might be little confusing, but I would really urge you to think that everything has 2 different sides, 2 different opinion. Sometimes it's more than 2 opinions. So be open to any kind of a discussion. If you come across anything where your opinion is being asked for. Don't be rigid on your opinion. Always be open about discussion. That is what this message says. Om Sai Ram. So here comes the card for the devotees who have chosen third card or who has chosen clear chords. The card says desire. Now here Baba wants us to be very thoughtful about what we are asking from Baba. We should not be too greedy in what we are asking from Baba. We should be very mindful about how we are placing our request. Be always thoughtful in what you are asking to God. You may ask, you should not be act like King Midas. King Midas was who? He was like, he asked that whatever I touch should turn into gold. And eventually when he touched his daughter, that turned into gold too. So don't be like King Midas. Don't be greedy. And materialistic things you should ask only to limited extent. You should not be asking to become Tatas or Ambanis. Always ask something where you can live your life comfortably. And yes, ask for something. Ask Baba himself that, do give me what is right for me. And pray that you may get his bhakti. Always Baba should be there in your life. So watch your desires. If you're asking for too many things, today is the card which is coming as a Baba's message, that be thoughtful for what you're asking for. I think what I do personally is just leave everything in Baba's feet and let Baba decide what he wants to give. Yes, I do have desires. I also place my desires as well. But end of the day or end of my prayer, I say, it's your wish, Baba. You need to decide. You are the main master of my life. So be thoughtful in what you're asking for. Om Sai Ram.